All right, so we've got another great question by one of the Wyzant students. Jessica has asked, a figure is located at 2 comma 0, 2 comma -2, and 6 comma 0 on a coordinate plane. What kind of 3D shape would be created if the figure was rotated around the x-axis? Well, this is a great question. Let's take a look at that. So I went ahead and plotted these 3 points. So this is 2 comma 0 right there. And then we have 2 comma -2, which is right there. And then we have 6 comma 0, which is right there. So what you basically got here is, if you connect the dots, you've got a triangle. And I'm doing kind of a messy job connecting the dots, but hopefully you can see the shape that is formed when you connect the dots of those 3 dots. So imagine, and let's go back and look at the original question. If we take that shape and rotate it around the x-axis, so let's take a look at that, which is the x-axis. Well, it's this line right here. If we were to rotate the shape around the x-axis, we would end up with a cone. So what I want you to do, if you can, is just try to visualize this thing wrapping around that x-axis and going all the way around. And I'm going to kind of draw it here, and you're going to have to imagine a little bit that we're viewing it from the side instead of straight on. So you would get, like, let's see if I can go. So you're going to get like a round bottom. And then that's real messy right there. Sorry about that. And then it's because you're kind of wrapping that shape around the x-axis, you're going to get a cone. And what's interesting about it is that the cone will have a height of however many units this is from this point to this point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see that the cone is on its side. The height of the cone is 4. So that's 4 units. And the radius of the cone is 1, 2. So the radius is 2. And so that would mean, of course, that the diameter would be 4. So you would end up, if you connected those 3 dots and made that triangular shape and then rotated it around the x-axis, you would have a cone on its side with a height of 4 and a radius of 2. Great question.